Try this. Summary.
First one is like terms.
Correct. Like terms. Second one.
Second one is a equation.
Ah, yes. Very good. What is the third one?
The third one is expression.
Yeah. And then 5x is known as term and fx means function. There are S sugar cubes in a bowl, so they don't want to tell you how many. They use an algebra to cover the number. They call it S. Write an expression for the number of sugar cubes if I take out 6 sugar cubes. So let's do A. If I take out 6 sugar cubes total, which is S minus 6. Because when you take out means you remove 6 of them. So B is S plus 10. Yes, as simple as that. So it's testing you on writing formula basically. So C, if I have 5 bowls of exactly the same, so 5 times S, so it's 5S. And D, if I take out half of the sugar cubes, what will be the formula? That is the formula, so you take S over 2. So that was what you were doing. I said if S is 6, then you know you took out 3 because you were doing divide by 2.
First time I see capital algebra.
You know, it's just to confuse the student, you know, why R and R can combine or not. So will you combine them?
No.
No, yeah, it's to prove to you clearly they are different, right? Yep, so this example is good example where you clearly know that they can't be combined. Different R is different. 5x plus 2x, correct, 7x. There is nothing to do with y, so you just have to trace it down again. All right, so correct, well done. Let's go for B. So let's look at the solution. Now, first step, 2y minus 3y indeed is negative 1y. All right, so this one you got it correct. Now, I have a question to you. Negative 4x minus 8x is not plus 4. Minus 4 minus 8 is like you give out $4. You give out another $8. You have actually lost $12. Should be minus 12x, correct? All right, so let me write down. For integer question, right? Okay, so if we were to look at the basics, 4 plus 8, everybody knows how to do this. 12, right? This is a plus 4. This is a plus 8. So you plus both of them, then you get 12. If it is like the same, minus 4, minus 8, basically you add these two. Can you see that both numbers were added up to become 12? If the signs are the same, you just add both numbers. So 4 plus 8 become 12. And then don't forget to take the negative into consideration, right? Now, if one is negative, one is positive, did you notice the way they do? Both numbers you minus. What is 8 minus 4? You write 4. And then you look at the bigger number, which is 8, right? Sign in front of it. So 8 is bigger, you take positive. Okay, one more time. One last time. This is a positive 4. This is a minus 8. Both are different sign, right? One positive, one negative, right? Different. Both numbers have to be minus of each other. So 8 minus 4, we get 4. Which number is bigger? 8. Follow the sign in front, minus. So this is a technique. Positive, positive, you just add them up. Negative, negative, you also add them up. Watch. Negative 4D plus 6D, right? So you get 2D. This is correct. A minus A?
3. Oh, wait, 2A.
Is 2A. It's like 3 apple minus 1 apple, you get 2 apple. When we do simplify, don't forget the things that we haven't do. So you forgot to do 4. It's just a number. There's nothing to do. Then you trace it back down like that. Negative 2R plus 8R.
Should be positive 6.
Yeah, should be positive 6.
So the minus should be plus.
One way to solve this integer confusion is this. You use a number line. You do a number line.
Okay.
Negative 2 plus 8. Plus 8 means you move towards right 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Positive 6. Hey, if you really like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more mathematics tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.